Game changer. The topic today in this video is too important to be included in an overall Crypto Ripple XRP news segment. That's why there is now this one, namely Codius. And before I begin, let me clarify that I do not provide financial or investment advice. In my videos, I primarily talk about Ripple and XRP, the debt situation, and the future of financial transactions, and why everything will eventually run on the blockchain without anyone noticing. But now let's dive into the topics. What is missing on the XRP ledger? Smart contracts. There are ongoing opportunities, ideas, and projects to implement them so that we can have these smart contracts on the XRP ledger. This is quite important, especially in the derivatives market, just as an example. Now I will take a step back and let's look into the past to see what happened. Which blockchain is the most important when it comes to smart contracts? Ethereum. Well, Ethereum and the lead developer there, Vitalik Buterin, are expanding it, having transitioned the merge from proof of work to proof of stake. But Vitalik also has a history before that. And I will just jump into it now. This is from You Today. Ex-Ripple manager tells incredible story about Vitalik Buterin and Ripple. And there it is. This is an article from May 1st, 2023. The couch of the chief technical officer of Ripple plays a surprising role in the career of Vitalik Buterin, reveals Matt Hamilton, former manager. All links are below in the video description. If you want to read this, I'll shorten it now. Vitalik Buterin wanted to do an internship at Ripple, and during the application phase, he was there and slept at the former chief technical officer, Stefan Thomas's place. David Schwartz was already at Ripple at that time, and he was the chief developer for crypto. He effectively inherited the position from Stefan Thomas. Now, during this application phase, internship year 9, Vitalik Buterin slept on the couch of David Schwartz. And while he was doing that, he sniffed around a bit and looked into things and was involved, among other things, in meetings within Ripple. And there was an extremely important meeting about Codius, a significant project by then Chief Technology Officer Stefan Thomas, for the development of smart contracts on the XRP ledger. This project was then abandoned because the consensus mechanism for Ripple and smart contracts was not suitable. As a result, it was practically dropped. One wanted to focus on the core business, namely payments, etc. And then I will refer to a newer article from Crypto Revolution. Former Ripple CTO announces the return of Codius, new momentum for the XRP ledger. An article from October 29th, 2024. That is, today. You are watching the video now on the 30th. Pardon. Ex-Ripple CTO Stefan Thomas announces the revival of Codius, a platform that could sustainably expand the XRP ledger. Codius enables off-chain smart contracts and interoperability, bringing scalability and new use cases to XRP. And now I'm going to head over to a tweet from Max Avery. Stefan Thomas, former Ripple CTO, announces that he is working on a new version of Codius. This is huge for the XRP ledger ecosystem. Here's why it is a big deal. Codius is an open source hosting platform for smart contracts. The goal is to revolutionize decentralized app development in a significant way by creating a more adaptable and flexible and scalable approach compared to traditional blockchain platforms. Cool thing about Codius: distributed and decentralized hosting. Run programs on multiple hosts and create a very peer-to-peer network for services. Integrated billing, Programs can pay for your own operations. Language flexibility. Write smart contracts in common languages like Java or C++. Why is this important for the XRP ledger? Off-chain smart contract execution, meaning off-chain, I am not on the main chain. Codius can process contracts outside of the ledger, thereby reducing the burden on the XRP ledger and maintaining high transaction speeds. It offers cross-ledger compatibility, allowing interaction with multiple blockchains simultaneously. The blockchain-agnostic approach of Codius significantly enhances versatility and enables complex, decentralized applications and cross-chain operations, such as meaning interoperability. For flexible smart contracts, more complex, apps can interact with the XRP ledger without slowing it down. Scalable application layer. Distribute the computational load. History of Codius. Announced in 2014, a platform for smart contract applications aimed at creating hosting providers, instead of a decentralized network. Fun fact: Vitalik Buterin, founder of Ethereum, was involved in early discussions with Stefan Thomas. Codius bridges gap between advantages of decentralization and practical hosting infra. By enabling developers to write contracts in various different languages and interact with external data sources, such as APIs, smart contracts become simply more accessible and seamlessly integrated. By offloading computationally intensive tasks to Codius, the XRP ledger can handle additional tasks without increasing its computational load. This separation allows the XRP ledger to maintain and even significantly enhance its transactions per second, while supporting complex applications. Interoperability is key. Codius enables the interaction of smart contracts with other blockchains and traditional payment networks, allowing for smoother connections. With the vision of the Internet of Value, this could enhance the transaction flow on the XRP ledger as an important intermediary. Codius could enable use cases for microtransactions in various industries such as content monetization or IoT, leveraging the low fees of the XRP ledger. With the smart contract logic handled off-chain, this would drive more transactions through the XRP ledger and increase its utility. Since Codius is language independent, developers can use secure and more efficient programming languages for their contracts, leading to more innovative applications. This could attract more developers to the XRP ecosystem, promoting its growth and acceptance. Codius enhances the XRP ledger ecosystem by enabling off-chain execution of smart contracts, preserving and potentially increasing the transactions per second of XRP, and opening up new use cases through interoperability. It is a significant step forward for the XRP ledger ecosystem. Awesome. That's exactly what the XRP ledger and the entire ecosystem are missing. This is simply the unique opportunity to build, program, and then implement smart contracts, and exciting. Not only will developers definitely be able to carry this out in various programming languages, but it will also be off-chain. This means outside the chain. A transaction is executed. I need the smart contract, and then it is used without me losing performance through the smart contracts here. So the transactions per second remain the same. More will take place using or with the use of smart contracts. I found another article here which I will share with you from OneSafe. More or less, it says nothing else, just shortened and very clearly understandable. Codius, the smart contract solution for the limitations of the XRP ledger. Here is the table of contents. Introduction to Codius and its impact on the XRP ledger, the rise of off-chain smart contracts, interoperability and scalability, effective crypto for cross-border payments, managing digital asset wallets, with Codius and a summary. However, I will only focus on the second to last point, as it is missing here with Max Avery. Security and management function. Now let's talk about security, as this is always a hot topic in crypto. Codius employs rigorous and thorough formal verification processes along with advanced sandboxing techniques to ensure that smart contracts behave exactly as intended, while applications are meticulously isolated from each other and from their hosts in a highly secure manner. It's somehow brilliant when you think about it. Combine trusted hosting providers with cutting-edge technology and you get a secure yet practical solution. Here too, wallet custody is important. Smart contracts play a key role. Who is allowed access? Who can execute it? What should happen there? Smart contracts, programmed by trusted hosts. Sensational. Sorry folks, these are the things I want to read. If you like what I do, click. Ring the bell, like, subscribe, comment, share, so that we can nudge even more interested people about what will happen in the future, but I am not providing financial or investment advice. Do your own research. That's it from me for today. I sincerely wish you all the best and please stay healthy. It is the greatest good we have. See you in the next video. Ciao.
Because Ripple is the chosen one to lead the new global digital payment system and they use XRP. In 2013, the Federal Reserve began looking for faster payment options. 2 years later, an action plan was born and a federal payments task force was created. It included a company that focused on crypto, Ripple. In 2014, World Bank and Better Than Cash Alliance, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Clinton Global Initiative, governments of 32 countries released a report on possibilities for digitized payments. A year later, Better Than Cash Alliance introduced a crypto company on its website, Ripple. Today, the Better Than Cash Alliance and all other UN initiatives are focused on a single agenda, the Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. You can see the SDGs logo on Bill Gates' lapel, world-leading companies, the Better Than Cash Alliance website, and on the UN's official exchange, Exchange, what crypto is Exchange officially utilizing for their carbon credit solution, XRP. The world will move to a new international standard for exchanging electronic messages between financial institutions by 2025 called ISO 2022. Who was the first ISO 2022 member focused on distributed ledger technology? Ripple. Ripple is partnered with over 300 financial institutions, including such as Bank of America, American Express, PNC, Santander, SBI, HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, the Bank of England, and many others, notably major banks in various regions like India, Singapore, Scotland, Australia, Indonesia, Japan, Canada, Egypt, the Middle East, the United Arab Emirates, Thailand, Morocco, Bhutan, South Korea, Brazil, and Latin America, and beyond. Ripple has former employees who have worked at the Federal Reserve, overseeing the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock's digital asset division, and other significant roles in the financial sector. Ripple has connections with various organizations, including but not limited to the Digital Pound Foundation, Digital Dollar Project, Digital Euro Association, and is involved in high-level advisory boards and fintech initiatives related to blockchain and open payments in the global market. Ripple is also a featured partner of the World Economic Forum, with members directly listed in the team and other key players in the industry. On the WF website, Ripple. Now, does Ripple and XRP sound like they're going to disappear, or do they sound like they're part of a much bigger plan? You decide.